What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist, and today is 18th of March 2023, local time 9:30, and it's Saturday. I'm gonna start analyzing SPY. I'm just letting you know this video could be, I don't know, 8 minute, 10-minute long, but every single thing that I'm gonna explain is gonna be super important. All right, super duper important. So just make sure you are just continuously with me throughout the video. Okay, I'm gonna start the video now. This black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. That's what I use. These are the only indicators which I use, and this is volume. All right, and rest is price action. All right, I'm gonna turn on my drawings now. Uh, Here. So now, what is happening here is I said in the last video that this looks like a buying pressure, right? I clearly said that, and it's a volume supported move as well. So this looks like a buying pressure, but I exited my positions here because EMA 20 was here, and in options I always use EMA 20 to book my profits. And this is what happened, and I disposed 50% of my quantities in stocks for SPY here as well, because EMA 20 will definitely be a hindrance, because a lot of algo traders, they short here, and if they are shorting, you cannot uh, you need to book profit. Profit is your priority, right? Why are you trading? So that's why I always make sure, this is my rule. All right, let's put it like that. Now, I said clearly on Thursday night that once price goes in here, then I can decide, once Friday closes, then I can decide that what's going to happen. All right, now a lot of volume came in here at the right spot. Now, I am going out. Told you, once Friday closes, I'll be more clear. I have a more clear picture. So I'm gonna go out here. I will dispose everything. All right. I don't really care, because this is a danger zone and I cannot block my capital. I have lots of money here in SPY stocks. It's not it's a $390 stock. So I'm gonna get out at 398 definitely, and I have logics attached to it. First of all, I said clearly I'll wait for Friday candle, and look at this. Why I'm so scared with this candle, but at the same time I'm loading more stocks here. Yesterday I made a video, like quick video on TikTok, and I was telling everybody that I'm going to buy at 388. It never came to 388, but now I'm lowering my level, because if I try to read the candles, all right, where did the imbalance came from? Right here, 386. So 387 instead of 388. Now I'll start buying SPY at 387. If it doesn't come, let it be. Then also I'm disposing everything out here at 388. Okay. So first of all, imbalance came from here. Okay. Here, especially from this, mark this wick. Imbalance came from here, from this box. I'm going to mark it here. My system is, so many things are open on other screens as well. That's why. Anyways, you just make sure that you're getting this. I'm gonna zoom in and make a clear box here. So 386.84 and then 386. This whole 386 level, this wick is super important, because this is where the imbalance came from. Now, why I am scared from this candle? The reason is simple. If buyers were strong enough, what if this player who was sitting here, he started disposing? He also can see that, he sold some positions here, or he can see selling is strong here, so he also started disposing some positions here. There is a possibility, right? I don't know that for sure, nobody knows that for sure, but logically think like that. If this player was strong enough, or he was not shorting the market or whatever his intentions, I'm trying to understand what this guy is thinking, and these guys are thinking. So if buying was so strong, which this candle is telling us, how come market gap down? Forget gap down. Buyers were pierced almost 80%. Are you getting it? This is not normal. This is bad. Like, how come such a strong green candle on the very next day is pierced almost 80%? This is extremely dangerous. So that's why I always go with price action. Ask candles questions. Try to think why this candle closed here. Maybe sellers are strong and they are showing their positions. They are showing their power. So this is a sign we need to understand like that. Candle was closed at 396. It went up to what, 396.50, whatever. Instead of gapping down somewhere here and going up from halfway or quarter of the green candle, it breaches it. It not breaches it, it pierces it almost 80%. And look at the low here. Look at the readings here of this candle. Low was 388.55. So can you imagine $7 and a half move, like down move? So it's showing the strength of sellers. Now, if you want to understand it, you can understand it. Market gives you signs, but again, because there is no supply zone here, because I'm a demand and supply trader and I'm proud about it, because I know what I'm doing. If you are not confident or you're scared, don't go into the trade, because I'm not taking the responsibility for your trades. I will always make sure that you are taking responsibility of your trades. That's why I don't share option trades anywhere. The thing is that if I am losing money, I'm responsible for it. If you're not comfortable, just leave it. Just leave it. I have been tracking spy like crazy, right? This is what I've been doing. I'm going to show you why I'm going to dispose everything here at 398. Whatever I'm buying here, I'm going to dispose. I don't take stop loss levels here on spy. This is my strategy. That's an in-depth analysis. I never book stop loss. I don't put stop loss with spy, because I'm very confident I know how to trade spy. All right, now let's go in here. You see this, I was analyzing, and I figured out there's an inclined resistance here. Okay, price goes in here one time, rejected, second time rejected properly, so this is a resistance for sure. All right, we have supply zones here for sure, and this supply zone is very strong, and that too we also have weekly supply zone here. So we call this, whenever you see multiple selling zones at a level, if you don't know price action, just understand what I'm trying to tell you. Whenever you see multiple resistances, I'm just putting it in layman's language. When you see multiple resistances, it's called confluence. So there's a confluence here. All right, and then after this is super important. Don't leave the video now. It's gonna go to next level. So this is confluence. This black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. There is a death cross over here as well. All right, you need to understand that. And one more thing is I'll show you. I analyze spy like crazy. All right, here, Fibonacci, right? Look at this. All this is golden ratio, man. Like, you guys need to understand very clearly. Like, whenever something like this happens, 50% and 61, it retraced already to 50. But the thing is, supply zone is exactly in this box. 61 golden ratio. I'm definitely, I'm going to sell it now. Forget about options. I'm not trading options, but these are logics. We need to be very careful when we are trading market. And I don't care if any stock, whatever, like manipulated stocks are giving you signals to buy, go buy it, lose your money, I don't care. But the thing is, we need to understand what market is telling us. This is market. All right, this is pure market. And I will buy, definitely I will buy, and I will get out here, because I need $10 move. If it doesn't come, I still am long from 391, I told you, and I booked whatever half here. I'm gonna buy more here, ride it till here, or probably 390. I'm gonna go out. It can react, and where I'm gonna show you where it's reacting from now. It's reacting from the wick of this zone. You need to understand. Look at this here. Price goes exactly in here, and it reacts from here. The thing is, imagine how many strong pending orders are here in this zone. So which will react? This will react. This zone will react, or this. To be honest, this is super cool zone. Like this, you can trade. Or this looks beautiful. This is a great level again, but we need the stop loss would be somewhere here. I don't care if you're trading this zone or this zone. I am going out here. If it breaches this, price will tell us where to go. Price will definitely tell us where to go. But again, you cannot risk your money. I'm not risking my money. So this was in-depth analysis about SPY, and this is for this coming week, at least for this coming week. All right. So from 20th March, that is Monday, till 24th, definitely don't trade options. Don't gamble. People who are showing, like, I don't want to comment about anybody else. Forget it. Whatever. Right. Just make sure you're following the logics and have a wonderful trading week ahead. Trade safely. It's your hard earned money. Don't fall for the trap and don't blame anybody. All right, because it's you who's taking trades. I actually, I said very clearly on TikTok that I'm gonna buy uh, somewhere around 388. Price never came. So what? Did I lose anything? Nothing, right? So we need to be very sure about what we are doing. We should be responsible for our own trades. All right. Understand price action. Price action, there's nothing above price action. No indicators, nothing. Indicators are add on. Definitely, I will make some videos about trends, which would definitely help you because I'm confident what I'm saying. Like I'm telling all this on video. It date stamped. I'm date stamping it. So I'm pretty sure what I'm saying. All right. So I'm going out here. If it goes through, like beats it, which is a very low probability, let it be. I don't care. I'll re-enter it. I know how to re-enter. I'll tell you what the plan would be. But for now, it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna exit and get my money out. All right. So guys, take care. Have